Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the amp, safety first. Once it's safe, remove all cables and inspect jacks, plugs, and the power cord for obvious wear or corrosion. Plug in one known good cable and a tested speaker to the amp input and output to isolate whether the buzz comes from the cable, instrument, speaker, or the amp itself. If buzz remains with known good parts, you now know the problem is internal, so make space and prepare tools for controlled internal checks. You open the chassis and discharge capacitors before touching anything. Do not skip this. Once safe, inspect solder joints for hairline cracks and look for cold joints or lifted pads. Reflow suspicious joints with solder. Check tubes or transistors for microphonic behavior or corrosion and swap with known good units when possible. Ensure grounding straps are intact and shield cans or chassis shields sit properly. If wiring runs close to transformers, reroute to reduce coupling and add ferrite cores on leads to tame high frequency. Once internal fixes are done, reassemble and test the amp under real load with the speaker connected. Play through every input. If you still hear buzz, methodically isolate by testing the amp alone, then adding pedals, then the instrument. Listen for changes. Make small adjustments to grounding, implement star grounding if safe, or add a ground lift on die boxes when appropriate. If the hum persists or you're uncomfortable with mains wiring, stop and take the amp to a qualified technician. Don't risk safety or further damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.